Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals. My daily members only live streams on Zoom and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar yen, like I've been saying, I think we have two options. Option number one is this is an ABC crescent to the last 5 waves up. It makes 3 waves down and then turns back up. Option number two to me is that this really is the end of a wave 5. Instead of it being an ABC like this, it'll stretch out into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Notice it's exactly the same trading strategy until you get to about this point right here. Which is why it doesn't really matter to us, does it? Going down to the weekly time frame, I have it labeled as an ABC, but it definitely could be a 1, 2, 3. I still think at some point, maybe even we might be starting to go down for a wave C. But keep in mind, this is the weekly time frame, and even this wave C potentially will take months to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it looks like it's getting ready to turn. I mean, to me, it looks like a possible A. It looks like an A or B. It looks like a B or B, and it looks like a C or B. It's trying to turn right at the 178, which is exactly where we would expect an expanding flat to turn, which is exactly what I think this is, especially because of the lower low wave B and the 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 5 waves up, which is characteristics of an expanding flat. So if that's true, then this potentially is going to turn down in a downtrend for a wave C, probably a wave C of wave 4. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely don't have a break of structure to the downside yet. But I do believe that this probably will break structure. Now, it might potentially pull back before it breaks structure, which is actually good news for us because potentially we could take that as a sorting opportunity. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I kind of hope that it just keeps on going down, breaks structure, and then makes a pullback because that will make for a much safer, much better entry to go short. Because technically the trend is up and it could potentially bounce off the Fibonacci level and continue up. But to me, I think there is a good chance even if it does go up, it's probably just going to be another correction to the downtrend and eventually it probably will go down, break this structure, which to me will confirm that the wave B on the daily time frame is over and that we are in a reversal to the downside for a big downtrend for a wave C. So hopefully this is how it plays out. Definitely be a little bit careful with your shorts, at least until you get the breaker structure to the downside, proving that this wave B really is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.